Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create LAVAGIRL on Just Impress. It's actually pretty simple to recreate. You do need VIP for most of this stuff, so I'm just going to remove everything and hopefully I remember. So the hair, I actually use this one from the winter event. Then I used this hair color, I think. I forgot what hair color I used. This one. And the animated side wind. You can also do front wind or side wind. It's up to you what you want to use for this. And then for the fit itself, I use this top here in these colors. So I think I used this one first. Oh my gosh, I remember. Okay, for the skeleton, I use that. And then for highlights, let me just use this pattern here. And then I think I used that for the metal plating. Sorry, let me check again. How come I forget? Okay. I think I only used a little bit, so for the metal plating, I'm going to use the same color as well. Oh my gosh, how am I not remembering it? Okay, I only used that for this area, so just for the highlights, you can use the fire one. Same as the pants here, I'm going to use this, not pants, this first, C3466E in matte. And then for the highlights, I'm using the fire one. And then for the metal plating, I'm going to use this. Then grab this shield thing, color it the same, and then color it this in matte. And then grab these pants here in the second toggle, and you're going to select that pattern. For the shoes, I'm just going to use this one in that same color in silk. In silk as well, in this color 604C5F, and then here I'll use orange and then that same color again. And then I use these for the gloves in that same color and in that fiery pattern. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.